Hello everyone, today I will talk about using heap sorting algorithm to sort an array. First, we have to understand the heap data structure. Heap is a binary tree where each node will have at most two children. Let's see this example. We have a list. We can read and write an element and its surrounding elements by the index following the rule of I plus 1. This is a normal list operation. We also can read and write an element by following this rule. 2i plus 1, like this indices, and 2i plus 2. Like these indices. Then we end up the binary tree data structure. We call it a heap. But this heap is not very useful since it doesn't provide us any memory when searching an element. So usually we like to arrange data in either min heap or max heap. In max heap, each parent node is larger than or equal to any of its children, so the maximum value is on the top. In a similar way, for min heap, each parent node is less than or equal to any of its children. The minimum value is on the top. To sort an array in ascending order, we want to arrange the data in max heap structure. The algorithm is starting from the last node and its children. We move the largest number up. In this example, the last node is 816. The parent node is the largest number, so we keep the node as it is. Then we move to the left node. Well, 20 has to be switched with 12. Now, we have to consider the up node, 20, 8, and 5. So 20 has to be up and 5 has to be down. After 5 is done, so we have to check the 5 with its new children, which is 11 and 12. 12 is the largest number, so 5 and 12 switch their position. Now we have the max heap structure, so we are ready for sorting the array. It is very straightforward. First, we switch the first element with the last element in the max heap. In this example, we switch 20 and 6. So 20 is the last element of the array. Now the new arrays look like this. After that, we heapify the tree without the number of 20. Now the new max heap is look like this. This time we switch 12 and 1. So 12 is the second element from the last in the array. And we will happify the tree without 12 and 20. The new maxi heap is look like this. Repeat the process until the root of the tree, the array, will be sorted in ascending order. Now let's see the code. There are two functions. The heap sort is the main function, and the max heap is a sub-function. The max heap function takes three input parameters: list, element index, number of elements we want to heapify. In this function, we use a while loop to move the biggest value up. First, we check the child on the right side. If the child has the biggest value, we switch the value and the index. If not, we check the left side. If the left side child has the biggest value, we switch the values and the index. Otherwise, we do nothing. In heap sort function, we first heapify the list from the second last level. Then we use a for loop to sort the list. In the for loop, we first switch the last and the first element in the max heap data structure. Second, we will heapify the rest of the tree from the top down. Okay, that's the end of today's topic. See you next episode.